Hi guys, welcome to a new video. Today I'm going to look at this small portulacaria afra lilliput. Um, just going to give it a quick maintenance prune. As you can see, some of these shoots kind of took off and it's got a little bit out of shape, so I'm just going to prune it back into shape. And no major design changes or anything today, just keeping it in shape. And that's what I try to do with these smaller trees is, I try to prune them a little more often. I let them grow enough to maintain their vigor and everything, but I do like to keep them pruned just so they don't get out of control and end up with some really thick branches that are out of proportion. So this one's just a simple design. It's just kind of going off to the right hand side there. Rounded top, that sort of thing. So I have a little bit bigger one that's kind of like this, but the top is developed enough to where it's, I'm able to start layering in some pads on it. That's kind of what I'm hoping I can get to with this one. Not quite ready to do that yet, but we'll keep thickening up and branching out, and someday we'll get there. This thing's really branched out nice. A lot of little twiggy branches over here. That's kind of the goal. I think that's just about all we need to do today. Nice short video. It takes a little bit more of the length off over here. A little bit more of the height. I think that'll work. Got it cleaned up a little bit and looks a little more taken care of now. So, like I said, nice and short today. I think that'll pretty much do it for what I wanted to get done on this guy. I'll give you a quick spin around here. So there's the front, there's the left side, there's the back, right side, and back to the front. Thanks for watching, and we'll see you in the next video.